Most snow removal business owners make one costly mistake when choosing a CRM. They pick software designed for general contractors and assume it will work for snow operations. Here's the truth no one tells you. Snow removal is one of the most time-sensitive service businesses out there, and your CRM needs to handle that pressure. In this video, you'll learn exactly what makes a CRM ideal for snow removal businesses in 2026, the key features you should prioritize, and how the right system can help you respond faster, win more contracts, and keep customers happy all winter long. Let's get straight into it. The best CRM for a snow removal company should help you manage leads, dispatch crews, schedule jobs, communicate with customers, and track invoices from one central dashboard. Take Alex, for example. He manages several snow removal crews across different neighborhoods. When a snowstorm hits, he doesn't have time to search through spreadsheets, text messages, and handwritten notes. He needs instant visibility into routes, customer requests, and crew availability. That's where a good CRM becomes a competitive advantage. Instead of reacting to chaos, you're operating with a plan. But here's the problem. Many CRM platforms are great at sales, but struggle with real-time field operations. Snow removal businesses often deal with last-minute requests, route changes, and weather-related disruptions. If your software can't keep up, your team falls behind. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best CRMs for snow removal businesses include automated customer communication. Imagine a customer wondering when their driveway will be cleared. Instead of calling your office, they automatically receive updates and service notifications. That's a small improvement that can dramatically reduce support calls. In a minute, I'll show you the feature that often delivers the biggest operational benefit. Before that, let's talk about recurring contracts. Many successful snow removal companies rely on seasonal agreements. A strong CRM tracks contract details, service history, and customer preferences, so nothing gets overlooked during peak season. This is where most people fail. They focus on acquiring new customers, but neglect organization. When winter storms arrive, poor organization quickly becomes lost revenue and unhappy clients. A quality CRM prevents that by keeping everything in one place. And here's the feature that often makes the biggest difference: dispatch and scheduling tools. When multiple crews are operating at the same time, efficient routing can save hours every week. Faster dispatching means more completed jobs, lower fuel costs, and happier customers. By 2026, the best CRM for snow removal businesses should include lead management, contract tracking, scheduling, dispatching, customer communication, invoicing, and automation. The goal isn't simply to manage customers. It's to build a system that helps your business perform better when demand is at its highest. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more business software reviews and growth strategies, and leave a comment below sharing which CRM you're currently considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.